So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So hope you're all doing well. So today we're making soup, and I'm doing 3 different types of soup, my favorite soup for winter time. And today I'm starting with carrot, ginger and coriander soup. So the ingredients are super easy: some coriander powder, some carrots, definitely medium diced if you want your soup to cook quickly, some salt, ginger. So I have minced ginger there already in a tub. I have some cumin powder for extra flavor, some garlic, veggie bouillon, some onion, chopped onion, some potatoes just to give a little bit of some body to the soup, paprika for color, and some rapeseed oil, and that's all the ingredients you actually need. On a medium heat, add a tablespoon of cooking oil. Add your onion and garlic together. Add a full teaspoon of ginger, minced ginger. Give that a nice mix. Add in the veggie bouillon. Just crumble that in nicely. Give that a nice mix. Add in the coriander powder. So I'll use a tablespoon of coriander, 2 heaped teaspoons of coriander, and 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin powder, a teaspoon of paprika, carrot cream, a pinch of salt, some black pepper, let it simmer for half an hour to 45 minutes. So here I'm just using a hand blender. This is what it is. So that is the end of my soup. Carrot, ginger and coriander. It smells amazing, it tastes amazing, pretty simple to make. And yeah, hope you enjoy. Let me know if you give it a try. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like and share, and leave your comments and tell me what you think about it and what's your favorite soup to make or to have out when you go out. So thank you and see you later. Bye.